So now that we've officially opened our Cricut Explore 5, it's time that we start testing out against the Cricut Explore Air 4. So today in this video, we're gonna be testing out the speed difference. That's really what I wanna see when it comes to print and cut. I'm gonna do a side-by-side of the exact same project, and I'm gonna show you the differences because there is a difference when it comes to the Cricut Explore 5 versus the 4. The biggest thing that's changed is on the Cricut Explore 4, you have to load your mat, and then once it's done scanning, you press play again to actually start your project. And with the Cricut Explore 5, it actually scans the mat, and then once it's ready to start cutting, it just goes ahead. You don't have to press play in order to start the project. So if you're curious about what the speed differences are, let's head into it and let's start our project. Okay, before I get started, these are on strong mats, but I just want you to know these are mats that have lost their stickiness a little bit, so I would use a light grip mat. This is just cardstock, but for the purpose of showing you this video, I just wanted to put it on something, and you can see that it's kind of coming up. I'm adding a little bit of tape to the corner because I don't feel like throwing this away quite yet. So when I load these, I just want to add something. I'm gonna load the Cricut Explore 4 first, and then I'm gonna start the 5. However, keep this in mind, I'm not gonna be able to start both at the exact same time. I'm gonna try, but I'm gonna do my best so you can kind of see the comparison, but one might be started before the other. So I was late in pressing the play button on the Cricut Explore 4, but you can already see how fast the 5 is starting to cut. The 4 hasn't even finished scanning, so the 5 is significantly faster so far. This is actually shocking to me because I use the 4 all the time for print and cut, and watching the 5 right now, honestly, it's night and day how much faster it is. All right, we're gonna try this again with this piece of artwork. Beautiful, I know. I'm gonna try to do it exactly at the same time. We'll see how this works, but this is just one image versus all the little ducks to get a better idea how fast it actually is compared to that, the 4 versus the 5, so you can see the speed difference. So mind you, there's a couple second delay on the 4 because I have to press the play button, but that's also a factor if you're not paying attention. That creates a piece that takes an extra step. And you can see that the 5 is almost done cutting where the 4 hasn't even started. And so just like that, the 5 is done. Let's see how much longer it takes for the 4 to finish cutting. I'll be honest, I'm actually shocked how long it's taking for the 4 because like I said, I use my Cricut Explore 4 a lot for print and cut. So to see the difference in how long it's actually taking right now is easily a decision in why I would upgrade to the 5. So if you make stickers all the time, if you make projects all the time that are print and cut, you might be worth doing the upgrade. That was about a 30-second difference, it looks like. So pretty significant in the actual time difference, but I'm curious what you guys think. This is just the first test that I wanted to do. More tests to come in the future, but if you have any specific questions about the 4 versus the 5 that you want me to test next, let me know and we'll get that started in the next video, and we'll see you soon.